Bathukamma is a vibrant floral festival celebrated predominantly in the Indian state of Telangana. As part of pre-day's preparations, we applied instant Mehendi with sticker designs, adding some final touch-ups to complete the look. Amamma lovingly prepared Sattu, a traditional offering to Goddess Gowri on Bathukamma Day. Peddamma helped by trimming the flowers, getting them ready for the making of Bathukamma the next day. We all applied Mehendi as part of the festive joy. Dhruva, full of excitement, asked Peddamma to draw Narsimha on his hand and Om on his arm. When it was time to peel off, the designs looked so bright and beautiful, just like the festival itself. In the evening, we rushed for some last-minute shopping, and we were lucky to witness the mesmerizing sight of the goddess being taken in procession for devotees. It was a divine and unforgettable moment. The next morning, we began collecting fresh flowers and special leaves used to build Bathukamma. Amamma carefully arranged them, starting with the leaves. Then Peddamma placed haldi, turmeric and kumkum as a mark of respect. Stacking layers of colorful flowers step by step until the Bathukamma was beautifully completed. Gauramma, made with haldi, was placed at the top as the symbol of the goddess. Everyone joined in helping Amamma, and later we all sat together for lunch. Got dressed up to play Bathukamma. The festival is celebrated with devotion to Goddess Gowri Devi. People from the neighborhood gathered at one place, and the sight was truly an eye feast. Women singing traditional folk songs, clapping and dancing around the Bathukamma in rhythm. The energy, joy, togetherness filled the air, and we had a wonderful time. Since Bathukamma comes during the rainy season, it's a traditional belief that the flowers used in Bathukamma, like Gunaka, Tangedu, have medical properties. When immersed in ponds or rivers, they help purify the water and naturally strengthen the immune system to fight seasonal illnesses. After the celebrations, the Bathukamma was taken in a joyful procession and immersed in the nearest water body. After that, the turmeric form of Goddess Gowri was applied on woman's cheek as a blessing, and prasadam was distributed.